The Fujifilm X-T5 stands out as a flagship in Fujifilm's X series, combining timeless design with cutting-edge imaging technology. Crafted for both passionate enthusiasts and professionals, it offers improved resolution, faster processing, and enhanced usability compared to previous models. Its compact build and intuitive controls make it a portable yet powerful companion for capturing landscapes, portraits, or street scenes. Let's take a closer look at the camera's design and how it supports creative photography. With a retro-inspired look, the X-T5 evokes the charm of vintage cameras while integrating modern features. The body is constructed from durable materials, offering a comfortable grip and substantial feel. Thoughtful placement of dials and buttons ensures intuitive operation, even during extended shoots. Its weather-resistant build protects against dust and moisture, giving photographers confidence in diverse conditions. This seamless blend of style and functionality leads us to examine the camera's imaging capabilities. Central to the X-T5 is its high-resolution sensor, delivering exceptional detail for both stills and video. The camera's dynamic range preserves subtle highlights and shadows, while Fujifilm's renowned color science produces vibrant, true-to-life images. Excellent low-light performance keeps noise at bay and maintains clarity when lighting is limited. These sensor strengths empower creators to achieve stunning results in varied scenarios, naturally connecting to the camera's autofocus and speed. Fast and precise autofocus is a key feature of the X-T5, allowing users to quickly lock onto subjects even in difficult lighting. Its burst shooting capabilities capture multiple frames per second, ideal for action or fleeting moments. The camera's responsiveness minimizes lag, ensuring you never miss a shot. Reliable autofocus tracking during video recording keeps moving subjects sharp, enhancing the overall shooting experience and leading us to explore its video features. The X-T5's video capabilities are designed to meet a range of creative demands. Multiple recording formats, including high-resolution options, cater to professional standards. Flexible frame rates enable smooth motion and creative slow-motion effects, while internal and external recording options provide workflow versatility. These features make the X-T5 a solid choice for content creators working on vlogs, short films, or live events. Its adaptable recording methods support efficient production in various environments, contributing to a seamless user experience. Navigating the X-T5 is effortless, thanks to its intuitive menu system and responsive touchscreen. Selecting focus points and reviewing images is straightforward, and the electronic viewfinder offers sharp, vibrant visuals for precise composition and exposure adjustments. Improved battery life supports longer shooting sessions with fewer interruptions. These user-friendly features help streamline the workflow for photographers of all skill levels, distinguishing the X-T5 from its predecessors and competitors. When compared to earlier XT models, the X-T5 introduces significant upgrades, such as enhanced autofocus, advanced sensor technology, and faster processing. While other cameras in the same price range may offer similar specifications, the XT series stands out for its robust build and intuitive controls. Some competitors might provide higher resolution or expanded video options, but the X-T5's balance of innovation and value is a strong advantage. Upgraders will appreciate refined ergonomics and greater customization, making this model a compelling choice for a broad spectrum of photographers. The X-T5 excels in image quality, portability, and manual control, appealing to photographers who value flexibility and a tactile shooting experience. Its fast autofocus and versatile video features serve both still and motion creators. However, some users may find the lack of a fully articulating screen and limited touchscreen functions restrictive for certain shooting angles. Battery life, though improved, may not suffice for extended sessions, and the absence of in-camera GPS could be a drawback for some. Considering these factors will help you determine if the X-T5 aligns with your specific needs. To sum up, the Fujifilm X-T5 is a versatile and powerful mirrorless camera that appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals. Its outstanding image quality, reliable autofocus, and classic design make it a top choice for those who prioritize performance and aesthetics. The X-T5 excels in still photography, particularly for landscapes, portraits, and street scenes, while also providing robust video capabilities for creators. If you value portability, creative flexibility, and a satisfying shooting experience, the X-T5 is a worthy investment to elevate your photography. We hope this review has given you a clear understanding of the Fujifilm X-T5. If you have thoughts or experiences with this camera, please share them in the comments below. For more insights and reviews on the latest camera gear, consider subscribing. Your perspective helps build a vibrant community of photographers. Thank you for watching.